Okay, so the goal is to solve this question for. This is a sequence question, by the way, so let's go over it together. So it says consider a job with a given starting salary and the giving annual raise. So when you say annual raise, you mean it increases every year by the same amount. So that's what we are assuming, that it increases by the same amount. So there's two questions, and each question has two parts. So question one has part A and part B. Question two has part A and part B. So you have to solve four total. So you have four total questions basically. Now I'm going to only explain how to solve 1A and 1B. It's the same method. It's basically the same method that you have to use to solve for 2A and 2B. So if the starting salary for question one is 63,500, then the second year the salary would be 63,500 plus 2,500. So let's see how this is solved in this video. Let's play this. Okay, let's start it right there. We'll give you $63,500. And then the annual raise, the raise for that is $2,500. So if this is in this question, $100, and then the annual raise, the raise for that is $2,500. So if this is the starting salary and this is the annual raise, annual means increases each year. So the next year, whoever is making this would now make this. A of 2 will give you 63,500 plus 2,500. This will give you a total of 6,800. Then the third year, the person will make 6,800. 68. Oh, just add that properly. 68,500. I apologize. And then 68,500 plus 2,500. This will give you 71,000. Let me just confirm this in my calculator. 1 second. 68,500 plus 2,500. 71,000. Alright, perfect. So now we can see a pattern, obviously. We can say that the pattern is giving A of 1, A of 2 is A of 1 plus 1 times 2,500. And A of 3 is A of 1 plus 2 times 2,500. But we know it's an arithmetic sequence anyway. So we can say that A of 6 equals A of 1 plus 5 times 2,500. This will give you A of 1 is 63,500. Let's calculate that on the calculator. That should give you 76,000. So that is A of 6. So this is the sixth. This is the salary for the 6th year for the initial salary. Now, let us find the total compensation for question 1. The total compensation, for any arithmetic sequence, the finite sum. The finite sum is given as S of n equals n over 2 A of 1 plus A of n. So, given we have this formula and we're looking for the total compensation throughout the 6 years, so S of 6 equals 6 over 2. A of 1 is 63,500 plus A of 6 is 7,600. and then this would give you, plug this in my calculator, would give you 418,500. So this is the total sum. This is the total compensation made through 6 years. If you start with this, and then you have an annual raise of that. So this is how you do. So this is the steps. These are the steps for question 1. Now for question 2, you follow the same thing. All you're doing is you're changing your starting salary, and you're changing your starting salary, and you're changing your raise, and then you follow the same step throughout.